Hey peach lovers, this one is for you. Today we are going to make a comforting and beautiful dessert form like a hug. Peach crumble, a homemade juicy golden buttery crumble, an irresistible smell of baked good. I made this for the first time and trust me, the smell of the cinnamon and the crunch of the crumble, perfection in one bite. So let's grab our peaches and cut them into wedges, and make sure to remove any imperfections that you are not happy with. So just remove it and keep cutting it into the small wedges that you are happy about it. I used here about 2 to 3 peaches, and I'm having some trouble over here, but I'm okay. I kept going and I just cut them into small pieces. If you are using it for a family, maybe you would like to increase the recipe, increase the number of the peaches, but if it's by yourself, so you can just use whatever you have, it's available. So if you are watching till here, can you comment what is your favorite fruit? I would love to know. Add sugar, brown sugar, a load of cinnamon as well, and a zest of a lemon, and I squeeze as well half of a lemon. Then after that, I just made sure to mix everything together. If you are watching till now, can you please comment autumn, because I would love to know who's really watching the video till the end. Make sure to stir everything and combine everything all together, and making sure that all the peaches are really coated very well with the cinnamon and the sugar mixture. Once it's like a little bit slimy, then you can cover everything and leave it aside. And then now we can move for the crumble. Gonna get butter, which is to be out from the fridge immediately, because we need it to be super cold in this crumble. Cut it into small pieces just to make sure that the crumbling process is getting smoother. We don't need to use big chunks. And then I use the knife just to cut it into small cubes. Then I added flour or purpose flour. Then after that I added sugar and brown sugar, and of course our butter. Then after that I just use my hand actually to mix it. If you're not happy using your hand, you can just feel free to just use gloves or use a spoon or spatula. It's just like up to you. That's absolutely up to you as a preference. We are looking here for assembly consistency. It's okay that it's gonna take a while if the butter is super cold, and be ready for some mess if you're not ready for that. But it's actually an enjoyable moment, so you can just like, once you reach this consistency, you can just go ahead and we are gonna bring the dish together. So easy, so simple, straightforward. You can just put all the peaches down, layer the peaches on the bottom. Then after that, try to level it up. No, we are not looking for perfection here. And then after that, just a crumble on top, all the crumbles. And then once it's covered, I try to cover all the entire thing, and once it's covered, just enter it straight to the oven and wait until everything is golden and hot, and then you can just enjoy it the way that you want. You can see after it's become the peach, it becomes sizzling on the top. I just removed it, and you can see its perfection is in its imperfection. And I really love the combination between the Greek yogurt and the crumbles. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.